Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial unlocking the home screen layout on Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you are happy with your home screen layout and don't want it to change, here is how you can lock it. Start by opening the Settings app. In Settings, select Home Screen. In Home Screen Settings, enable the toggle called Lock Home Screen Layout. Your home screen is now locked. If you want to rearrange apps or widgets, you will have to come back here to unlock it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.